it's not bad to think na this is a 188cc. It produces around 17 horsepower with 15.2 Newton meters of torque. Okay, so the seat height, of course, naka-side stand ngayon, naka-center stand ngayon, is a side stand ko siya. It's 790 millimeters. Right, so my height is 5'10". So, very manageable. Ang dry weight ni Core 188 is 138 kilos, kaya medyo magaan siya. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa Core 188 is the seat. And papakita ko sa inyo yung sitting ergonomic niya. I found it very comfortable. With my feet dito sa floorboard and with my feet na naka lazy boy. Okay, lazy boy style. Okay, so I'll mount. Yan. So, kita natin, may bend yung tuhod ko, pero at this position, medyo naka-heels up. If I move forward, kaya ko i-flat foot yung dalawa, pero masyado ako malapit dito sa handlebar. So, ito talaga, I really need to move back. Meron nga pala siyang handbrake. So, yun yung purpose nun. Kita nyo, pagka medyo gumagalaw-galaw yung motor, habang nag-aayos ka, pwede mo lagay yung handbrake, hindi na ngayon gagalaw yung motor. It has a very generous steering radius, so okay to even for tight circles. And like what I mentioned, 138 kilos, magaan siya. Okay? Yung plastics nito, the build quality, makapal yung plastic. It's not cheap plastic, okay? And yung fit and finish is very precise. And nakita natin kanina na nagkaka-problem kasi yung ibang owners sa Venture before, and sa ibang FKM units. Ngayon, this is fully magnetic. So, it's a small thing, pero hassle kasi pagka pumapalakpak to habang nagra-ride ka, diba? So, ngayon, magnetic na siya. Wala na ngayong reason para masira yung ganitong locking clip. Okay, so, pakita ko lang yung paa ko dito. Size 10 ang paa ko. Okay, so pasok na pasok. Pagkalagay ko yung paa ko in front, hindi ko matodo yung paa ko in front, pero komportable pa rin siya. Okay, na mayroon siyang konting angle dun sa kanyang lazy boy setup. So that's the ergonomic. It has a silent start-stop function. So isa-start natin yung motor. Tingnan natin kung maririnig ninyo. Okay, so naka-start na siya ngayon. Tahimik lang. Camera's recording and maganda yung tunog ng makina niya. Maganda. Tahimik. It sounds parang hindi lang yung engine, pati itong CVT niya, pinapakinggan ko. Ang ganda eh. Parang everything is intact. Everything is talagang prim and proper. Napaka-premium nung experience at nung pakiramdam nitong FKM Core 188. Suspension is really good. Parang adventure talaga. Hindi siya yung makatok na suspension. Pagka i-press ko, hindi siya yung tumatalbog kaagad sa akin. So, dahan-dahan siyang bumabalik yung kanyang rebound. Hindi rin sobrang lambot ng kanyang compression. So, for an SRP of 168,000, I can convincingly say na sulit for an almost sub 200cc adventure scooter na premium build kay FKM, which is assembled here sa Pilipinas. So napaka-exciting na tong unit na to, and watch out for the first ride review. Thank you.